Check this kit out. The V5 kit from QuickTrick Alignment. A 4-wheel do-it-yourself home alignment setup. You can check your caster, your camber, and your toe of all 4 wheels. Sweet, sweet setup. What is going on, guys? And today I'm going to be doing a review and setup of the QuickTrick Alignment Kit. I'm actually recording this post messing with the kit, that way I kind of have some better insight in the beginning here of what I'm dealing with. But I do really think that this is the best setup out there. You can take it with you wherever you want. And I actually just got done aligning my car. So I got all the camber where I want it to be, and I got everything squared out the way I want it to be as far as toe. So stay tuned. Here it comes. And it goes like this. Hey everyone, so we have the QuickTrick setup here, and I kind of have everything pre-laid out. And so we have the front here, the rear back there, and I kind of wanted to go over kind of the initial setup for the QuickTrick kit. And the couple things that you're going to need is, as you can see here, is some tape. You want to put that where you have these metal pieces on the QuickTrick setup. So you can kind of see that here. Same with down here. And that way you're not scratching up your wheels. So we're going to go to the other side. Kind of do the same thing. So I have it all set up already. And then another thing to note, whenever you put these together, so right here, you can kind of see the little slits. So you want the slits to be in the outside towards the front and the back. So you'll have your middle pieces back there, and those will be on the inside. So the ones with the slits where you put your strings on the outside. So we're going to go ahead and get those mounted up, and I'll show you what they look like.
Throw your hands up if you with it, drop it.
All right, so I have everything mounted now. And what I like to do is make sure that the bottom is level, and same with the piece that is vertical. So you can get a right angle and make sure that that is straight, and then use a level to level the bottom part. And then you can see the back. And as you can see, the slits right here are facing the outside. There it focuses. And then same with the front facing the outside. So that way you can just put your string in here and then calculate your offset if you have offset. And on this car, I actually do have an offset. So my front sticks out 5/8 of an inch more than my back. So I have to make sure that when I'm putting the string in, if I'm putting it in where the 3 is, the 3-inch mark, I'll put that in, and then I'll have to put 3 5/8 in the back here, and then that's how I can make sure that everything is going to be flush. So I have everything set up, and as you can see, I have it at the 3-inch mark here. And so for my front tire, it is at the 3 inch as well. And at the back, you can see I have it at the 3 5/8 mark at the back of the little measuring tape. One thing to do note, make sure you have these flat and square. That way you're getting a correct measurement, because if you don't, that will affect the way your car is measured. So as you can see, I have the same thing for this side. And then same with the front, I have it at the 3-inch. And actually on this side, I did know this, my tire is actually towed out. So you can see right here, so I just gotta tow this in, because I actually am running. I've had this at a little bit towed out for the alignment. Went to a road course, and with the torque steer, it would cause it to be all jerky. So talked to some guys, and we are actually going to do testing on getting the car aligned square, and then for the front, and then possibly tow in a little bit to see how it handles in those two scenarios. But first, we're just going to do to where they're flush and square, and then give it some testing. All right, so now I have everything the way I want it to be. So I have it at the 3-inch mark of the front. I have it at the 3-inch mark in the back. And actually, a little tip that I kind of like, get this string. See if it focuses here. But I would get this string to hover a little bit over this. That way, it's not catching it all. And same with the back. And one thing I didn't touch on or really show you guys much is the turn plates. They are very nice, super heavy. I think they're like 25 pounds each, it seems. But they are magnetic turning plates and just really good quality. And then, of course, all you have to do is when you put them on, you put your piece of tape where the 0 is, and then you can check your caster that way. Everything is pretty much where I want it now. So my next track section, I'm going to be taking it out, seeing how it does. Hopefully we can get rid of the torque steer a little bit, or not have as much of a fight with it, I should say. But yeah, I highly recommend the QuickTrick. I mean, I really think this might just be the best alignment setup out there, especially with it being mobile. So I can just take this to the track, make quick adjustments, and it just makes it super easy. Super solid setup, and you can adjust the camber on all 4 wheels. So all you have to do is take it off this bracket and place it on the bracket in the back. And always, as long as you make sure that everything is square on the QuickTrick alignment arms, you're going to be good to go. Definitely check them out. And this is the V5 kit. We'll catch y'all later.
My life be like